So if you're thinking about buying a thermal imaging camera, then you probably have a specific need in mind for it. But there's actually a ton of applications that you can use this on. If you don't know what a thermal imaging camera is, basically this device will detect heat sources that the human eye cannot detect. It can save you loads of time on fault finding around the home, in the workplace. For instance, if you're a plumber, you can detect heat losses in pipes, blocked radiators. If you're a roofer, you can find those insulation gaps that's missing that you need to plug up to stop heat evaporating. If you're a car mechanic, you can use this to sense heating on engines, brakes that are overheating, exhaust that have got holes and weak spots in them. There's lots of applications that you can use this for. So this is one of my favorite brands when it comes to tech products. TOPDON has a lot of automotive products, OBD readers, they have drain inspection cameras, and obviously thermal imaging cameras. It's super simple to use. It is literally a point and go system. If I turn that around, you can see there, it's pointing towards me and it is looking at the heat source that I am giving off. If you would like to take a photo, an image, maybe you want to prove to a customer where they're losing heat, where the problem is, you simply point that at the heat source and press the button and it will instantly take a picture, and it stores that inside here so you can use that as evidence on a job. Now there's various settings on here and the temperature range is huge. It goes from around -4 Fahrenheit up to something like 875 Fahrenheit. So this is going to be perfect for all applications. Now it also features TISR, which is basically a technical thing that enhances the image. So if you take a photo, maybe it's in dark conditions or it's not great light, it doesn't matter. It will enhance the image and give you a great looking image. Now it also has multiple color palettes as well, so it will give you 5 different option settings that you can view that heat source. Kind of black and white, bright red and orange, blue for cold. There's 5 different palettes that you could choose, and that would depend on the application that you're measuring, whether that be hot, whether that be cold, whether it be medium application. Whatever that is, you've got a palette there that will actually represent it better. Now it is also a standalone device. There's no apps, there's no software needed. Everything is contained within the camera. It is also waterproof and it is also shock resistant to around 2 meters. So who should buy this? Well, I definitely think it's for the DIY homeowner. Electricians, plumbers, roofers, mechanics might use this. Property inspectors is probably one of the most popular choices for this. Like I say, looking at insulation, heat losses around the home. And car mechanics and diagnostics is probably people's going to use this. Now, who is it not for? It's certainly not going to be used for scientific or medical purposes. Professional surveyors will have their own preference on thermal imaging cameras, and like I say, they cost astronomical prices, but they are more accurate and they're more data driven. So if you need a reliable, affordable thermal camera and you care about battery life, portability, no extra add-on apps or tools needed, then it's a winner. Skip it if you are a professional that need a high-end resolution camera, but be prepared, if that's you, to pay thousands for a tool of that quality. Would I skip it if I was a professional? Yes, you would need a higher end, high quality enhanced imaging thermal camera, but be prepared to pay thousands of dollars or pounds for something like that. If you want to check this one out, I will try and link it in the description to Amazon. If you do purchase it, I might make a small commission. I do appreciate that. But yeah, that is the TOPDON thermal imaging camera.